When you build web applications, you want them to be fast, secure, and highly available for users around the world. That's where Azure Front Door and Azure Content Delivery Network comes in. These services help you reduce latency, improve performance, and protect your application from threats by delivering content through Microsoft global network of edge locations. Azure Front Door is more than just a content delivery network. It's an intelligent global load balancer that helps you optimize and secure your dynamic web applications. Instead of directing all user requests to a central server, Front Door routes traffic to the nearest, healthiest backend and ensure your users get the fastest response times. Let's unpack what AFD can do for you. Using AFD, your users get fast access to applications no matter where they are. AFD automatically sends requests to the closest and healthiest backend. AFD includes built-in DDoS protection, web application firewall, and bot mitigation. AFD uses split TCP connections and anycast networking to reduce latency. AFD terminates TLS and SSL connections at the edge, which reduce the load on your servers. AFD ensures your app is future-proof and high-performing. AFD works seamlessly with Azure Web Apps, Azure Storage, and Azure DNS. Bottom line, you should use Azure Front Door if your application needs intelligent traffic routing, high availability, and security against cyber threats. While Azure Front Door is great for managing dynamic content and application requests, Azure CDN is designed to cache and deliver static content quickly. Let's discuss how Azure CDN can help you. Azure CDN stores files closer to the user to reduce latency. Azure CDN ensures users always get the latest content updates. Azure CDN uses gzip and Brotli compression to reduce file sizes. Azure CDN supports geo-filtering and token authentication to control access. And Azure CDN lets you choose Microsoft, Azure, or Akamai for content distribution. So you can use Azure CDN when you need to cache and accelerate static content for faster page loads and reduce bandwidth cost. Bottom line, if your app handles real-time requests, dynamic content, or APIs, Azure Front Door is the best choice. If you need to serve large static files quickly, Azure CDN is the way to go. You might think, can I use both? Absolutely. In many cases, you will want to combine Azure Front Door and Azure CDN for the best results. Azure Front Door can handle traffic routing and security, while Azure CDN catches static files for faster load times. By leveraging both, you ensure that your users always get the fastest, most secure experience possible, no matter where they are in the world.